Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I did not film my, I think it was April favorites. I might have, if I did, I will link it down below. I wanted to combine my April favorites, if I didn't film that video, and my May favorites into one video. I have so much makeup and other items to talk about today. I did first want to say something really quick. So I'm going to be kind of reducing my filming upload, so I'm only going to be doing 2 times a week now. I just felt like I was, I guess, like overwhelmed, or I want to keep my weekends to myself, if that makes any sense. I want to just relax on the weekends. I used to do Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, but now I'm just doing Tuesdays and Thursdays. I feel that like that is going to be really great for me, but I'm going to be still posting on Saturday, but I'm just going to do like short form content where I'm going to be like sharing some makeup looks that I love or previews of my next YouTube video. So that will be on Saturdays. So yeah, that's what's going to be happening next week. So I'm really excited about that. Let's get right into the video. And also, if you're not already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really helps my YouTube channel a lot because this year my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So like today's video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Now, let's finally get into the video. So I'm going to do it in 2 parts. So part 1 will be skincare and makeup, and then the other video will be all about my hair care, my body care, and I have a little sprinkle of oral care as well, and nail care. I think I said nail care, I don't remember. And nail care. So the first video, we're going to be talking about skincare and makeup. I'm going to talk about all of my favorite skincare products while I prep my skin for makeup. So I already washed my face. I did that maybe 10 minutes ago, and it's one of my favorite cleansers. This is the ITK, also known as In the Know. I really like this skincare brand. This is just one of my favorite. I actually have 2 other products from ITK in this month's favorites for this video. This is the ITK Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. I like to use more of a gentle cleanser in the morning, just to wash my face this morning. And then I like to use this for cleansing my face. I love this cleanser. This is the Foreo Luna 4. You guys seen me talk about this cleansing device so much on my YouTube channel. It's a little wet right now because I just used it, but it's nice. A couple of days ago, I heard kind of like a ticking noise in my bathroom. I didn't know what it was. It was this. It was coming from the little like charging port, and I think that indicates, I don't know, but I think it indicates that it needs to be charged, so I did charge it. And it's not doing that ticking noise anymore. Or maybe it was so much water. There's a lot of water in the little port. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know. If you know what I'm talking about, if you ever heard that noise from the Luna 4, comment down below because that was weird. And also another thing for my YouTube channel, comment down below if you guys have any video ideas that you want to see on my YouTube channel. After I start cleansing, I like to go in with toner. So I'm actually not going to do my full skin prep because I'm not going to do a full glam look today, even though I really want to, but I'm not. Anyway, I'm not going to do, like I said, I'm not going to do my full skin prep routine. I am going to show you all of my favorite skincare products first. Then after the cleansing, I'm going to go in with a toner. This is one of my favorite toners. I have so many, but this one I've been loving this month. This is the JAFRA Royal Jelly Revitalize Toning Essence. I love to prep my skin with this and something else. Actually, I'm gonna go with this product first. This was recommended by Nikki LaRose here on YouTube, and when she recommended this in one of her, I think it was the oily skin video, because I have oily skin, and when I tried it, I was like, yes, this is the product that I've been needing. This is the Naturium BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I love this one. This is something that I love to use to prep the skin. I don't know why my nose is so itchy. I sometimes use at nighttime, but not a lot. So we're gonna use this right now. Something that I recently got that I've been loving to use ever since I ran out of cotton pads are these. That's gross. I'm gonna turn it this way. I got a 2-pack of the Real Techniques reusable cotton pad, and it's amazing. So since I got a 2-pack, I actually use this one for removing my makeup, and then this one for applying my liquid exfoliant, my serums, anything involved with skincare application, I use this one for. So let's go ahead and apply the liquid exfoliant. I just like to pour it on the cotton pad, start exfoliating my skin, and to prep for makeup. And I like to kind of hold it like this. This is an easy way to kind of apply this liquid exfoliant. Okay, I like to go in with the liquid exfoliant first, just to really get rid of any dead skin for the rest of my makeup to go on. Now we're gonna go into the toner that I was talking about. I'm gonna use the same side from the cleansing pad, cotton pad, to apply the toner. And I'm also going to fold it as well. That is done. So we have the toner on. Now we're gonna go into a serum. So this next serum is also from ITK, or In the Know. It's the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I've tried the brightening serum, and this one, obviously, I like it. You can see like it's almost gone. It's one of my favorites. I do want to try the brightening one again after I run out of this one. I'm going to take a small amount, a dropper amount of it, spread it onto my hand. I don't like to squirt it directly on my face. I feel like that, I just don't like to apply those type of droppers right on my face. So I'm going to apply this serum. And another thing that I like to do if I'm kind of running out of time, or if I am kind of doing my skin prep for an evening out makeup look and I want to dry my skincare products quickly, I go in with a portable fan. This is one of my favorite fans. I didn't want to mention it. I guess this can count as a techie thing for my favorites video. So I love this fan, a portable fan. It was gifted to me during Easter. I love this fan. Now that the serum is on, we're going to talk about a moisturizer that I've been liking, and actually this one I'm still kind of testing and using. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I just wanted to include it because I've been testing it throughout this month. So this is also from ITK. You guys can really tell that ITK is such a great, I love ITK. I think it's been a year, I think, since I tried ITK, and ever since then I've been loving all of their products. So this is the ITK Weightless Hydrating Moisturizer. I'm going to take a few pumps of that and apply it to face. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my favorite eye cream. I do have another one, but I went back to this one because it's just so good. It's the ITK Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo. So I normally would apply this before moisturizer, but I got too excited and applied the moisturizer first. So I'm gonna use the daytime side. And I like to go in with this first before I apply eye patches. Actually, today we are not going to apply eye patches because this is my everyday look. So anyway, speaking of eye patches, this is my favorite one from Skin Iceland. This is the Hydro Cooling Firming Eye Gels. This was another recommendation, or not really a recommendation. She probably mentioned it in one of her videos from Nikki LaRose. She used it in her video when she collabed with Ali Glines, which I love that video, by the way. I'll link that video down below because those two are like my favorite YouTube creators, and in the video together, that was like amazing. And I bought almost everything. Well, not almost everything. I bought maybe 2 things in that video that she used on Ali, and I was just like, yes. So I've used them probably once. I got a 12-pack of them, and they're amazing because they act like a shadow shield and like a little like guide for your eyeliner, which I was like, yes, I needed something like that. I needed a shadow shield for fallout, and I needed a guide for my eyeliner. I was like, yes, thank you, Nikki LaRose, for using something like this and linking it, because that's how I got it. I got it from her link. So, but like I said, I'm not going to use these in today's video, but I did want to mention my favorite eye patches that I've been using for this month. Okay, next we're gonna go into a sunscreen. I've been using this again this month, and I forgot how much I liked this. This is the Summer Fridays Shade Drops. This is SPF 30. It's a mineral milk sunscreen, which I really like. I'm gonna definitely use this one more in the summer. I think I use my other, let's apply this one. Oh, yeah, I like it. I wanna get more Summer Fridays stuff because they're surprisingly really nice. I like it. And I do like the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. That one is my favorite as well, but I wanted to use use this one for this video. It's been a couple of weeks since I got this lip thing that I'm going to be talking about. This is the Polite Society Big Mouth Lip Plumping Oil Gloss. I got it in the original shade, the clear shade. This is intense. It's amazing. I love it. So it does remind me of the Dr. Dennis Gross lip treatment plumping thing. And again, this was Ali Glines did a video on this, or in a video, and oh, I was like, yes, I want to buy it too. And I bought it. It's so good. It's definitely not for everyone. So I'm gonna apply this. I definitely do get that like minty or cinnamony. And like right when you apply it, maybe like a minute after you apply it, it starts to do that tingling thing. Oh, that's great. Okay, so I was editing this video, and this video is an hour long, almost 2 hours. So I am actually going to split this video into 3 parts. So part 1 will be all about my favorite skincare products for the month of May and April. And then part 2 is going to be all about makeup, and then part 3 is going to be all about body care, hair care, and everything else. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in part 2. Bye!